If the current lineup of high-end laptops in the market isn't cutting it for you, Eurocom's new offering may interest you. The Canadian computer manufacturer has launched its Sky X9W laptop, a mobile workstation upgrade to its already impressive Sky X9 that it released in October last year. Much like many other good things in life, the laptop also has a big price tag, with a starting price point of $2,930, roughly Rs. $198,000. Eurocom is referring to the Sky X9W as a mobile workstation, but don't get confused by the word mobile here. The laptop comes equipped with top-of-the-line desktop class specifications. The Sky X9W is powered by a quad-core, Intel Core i7 Skylake-S 6700K chip and Intel Z170 Express Skylake chipset. Users have the option to opt for Intel Core Skylake-S i5 6600 liters or Core Skylake-S i7 6700 processor. As for the GPU, the Sky X9W comes with 8GB NVIDIA Quadro M5000M, 4GB NVIDIA Quadro M3000M, or a single 200 watts desktop class 4GB NVIDIA GeForce GTX 980. Of course, with that sort of processing power, there is a lot of cooling that will be required, and there are multiple fans on board to do so. As for the memory, the base configuration starts with 16GB of DDR4 2133 MHz RAM, and goes up to 64GB of DDR4 2666 MHz RAM. The Sky X9W comes equipped with a 17.3-inch 4K, 3840 by 2160 pixels, display. Users can also opt for a display with Full HD, 1920 by 1080 pixels, screen resolution. On the connectivity front, there's one USB 3.1 Type-C port, 5 USB 3.0 ports, a pair of mini display ports that can power up to 4 monitors, an HDMI outlet, 1 headphone, 1 mic, 2 RS-45 ports, and supports Wi-Fi. It also comes with up to 5 TB of SSD storage in a RAID 10 configuration. The maximum configuration can go up to a whopping $11,473, roughly Rs. $775,000, which includes a carrying case and a 3-year warranty. On the software front, users can opt for Windows 10, Windows 8.1, and Windows 7. The laptop weighs 4.8 kilograms, and measures 428 by 308 by 45 m.